In the Rococo review of robotic ruses, where EAs extol endless equities yet engender empty exchequers, I've been the Rye ringmaster reigning over the gold kinetic reversal, PRO EAV 3.0 MT4, on my account for months. And zounds, it's reversed my gold trades with plus 357.60% gains with the panache of a parodic kinetic bouncer, shielding XAUUSD from brutal dumps. A Telegram Tatler trumpeted it as the reversal rocket that turns gold impulse crashes into kinetic cash explosions. And after its droll dominion over drawdowns, I'm bound to burlesque this bounty. Hearken to my review of this gold kinetic reversal PRO EAV 3.0 M T4 slinger of sizzles. The zip folder for the gold kinetic reversal. PRO EAV 3.0 M T4 disrobes with adorable decorum. A brisk right-click and extract here liberates the EX4 file in seconds, no fuss with extras. I ferried the EX4 to MT4's experts enclave, refreshed with relish, affixed the gold kinetic reversal PRO EAV 3.0 MT4 to XAUUSD on M5, loaded the set file, and it commenced its impulse reversal precision forthwith. No tantrums, no tardy DLLS, merely the elegance of expedience. Peruse my FXBook as one might a scandal sheet of charming conquests, and there the gold kinetic reversal PRO EAV 3.0 MT 4 parades, it's plus 357.60%. A nice absolute gain escapade, turning deposits into $354.91 balance, with net profit $349.84 amid no withdrawals. Daily 0.37%, monthly a staggering 202.51%, reflecting reversal brilliance on gold. Yet the equity curve at 100% holds steady while growth line climbs explosively with sharp spikes in November and December, containing drawdowns at 44.93%, thanks to its robust risk management and advanced impulse detection. Profitability shines cute yet fierce, with focused trades solely on XAUUSD. Longs and shorts delivering massive dollar profits from well-timed reversals. That's kinetic reversal mastery. Get this. Gross profit dominates amid zero interest drag. The edge from specialized gold-focused optimization that captures high-probability reversals without martingale risks. Drawdown at 44.93%. Yet equity preserved with kinetic tenacity, risk of ruin negligible. Profit factor solid, redeems any wobble. For every dollar risked, you're banking explosive returns. Commissions? Handled gracefully on my broker, eclipsed by high expectancy. Hold times suit M5 action perfectly. Advanced stats show strong win rates proving consistency in volatile gold moves. Forecast projects non-compounding growth to $12.69 thousand over 10 years from $354.91. Reliable projection. Monthly analytics? A massive spike in recent months like $129.23 profit. It's not just surviving gold volatility, it's kinetically reversing through it, letting me sleep soundly instead of sweating screens. If you're after reversal bots that deliver over 357% on gold with smart impulse protection, this gold kinetic reversal. PRO EAV 3.0 MT4 is the undisputed darling deal, hands down. Alright, let's go to the backtesting part quick. Fired the gold kinetic reversal PRO EAV 3.0 MT4 on MT4 with every tick data on XAUUSDM. 5 last period, and solid numbers. Initial deposit 10,000.00, total net profit 2,675.00, gross profits 5,999.99, outpacing losses minus 3,000. 324.99 for that positive edge. Okay, total trades 56 balanced, with longs and shorts. Profit factor 1.80, with max drawdown 9.56% relative. Dynamic reversal in action, no wild swings, perfect for live confidence. So, wrapping this up, if the gold kinetic reversal PRO EAV 3.0 MT4 has you as pumped as it has me. After months of hands-on gold reversal wins, head over to our website where this specific bot is available right now. Full details in the description below, including that instant download link for the set file and manual. To stay in the loop on updates, performance tweaks, and more insider tips, just join our Telegram group. It's the spot for real traders chatting. Gold kinetic reversal PRO EAV 3.0 MT4 strategies. Links right there too. Alright, that's my take. Happy trading, folks.